Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.3, Problem 29. This is Section 2.3, Problem 29. It says a jar contains 6 red marbles, 4 white marbles, and 5 blue marbles. What fraction of the marbles in the jar are red? Express your answer in simplest form. So, we have 6 red, 4 white, and 5 blue. So altogether, the jar contains 15 marbles. So first we have to figure out how many marbles are in the jar altogether. Now, it says what fraction of those marbles are red. So 6 out of the 15 marbles altogether are red. So 6/15ths of the marbles are red. Now that is the answer, but it's not in simplest form, and the last sentence does say express your answer in simplest form. So you want to find the largest number you can that divides into both the numerator and the denominator evenly, and in this case it would be 3. 3 goes into 6 twice, and 3 goes into 15 5 times. So you would say that 2/5 of the marbles in the jar are red.